Hey hi, welcome to our today's tutorial. It's all about styling your hair, styling your bandana easily in an elegant manner, just like, yes, if you've read the what do you call this, the title, you already know. So welcome to my channel, and if it is your first time here, ich heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drum rolls. Yes, that is the energy of the day. So guys, all you need for this style, you can need a band to hold your hair, but later on we are going to do away with it. You can also use a hair clip and all. That is if your hair is like this. Yeah, but if you do not even have hair, the better. I have had so many people commenting in the comment section, wow, that hair was so good for me because I am bald. Anyway, kisses to those who are bald out there. But anyways, if you have lots and lots of hair like mine, just hold it towards the back. The other thing that you need is a bandana. Definitely a bandana to do this particular style. You can do it on a flat surface, or you can just do it the manner in which I am doing it on air. I'm going to show you, if you're doing it on a flat surface, how you can do it. And if you're a perfectionist, you can choose to have an iron box, which is not a must, but as we continue, I'm going to be telling you where to use it. I don't know what to do so much talking because I have a cold and my voice might, run away. I'm not a native English speaker, but anyways, my voice might do that thing. So I want us to dive right into it, and as we do that, just make sure that you do like the video. Yeah, liking the video is just hitting the thumbs up. Yes, it is free. Please just do that. The other thing that you can do is talk to me in the comment section. Feel free to talk to me in the comment section over my socials, which are in the description. And also, you can share out there, tell someone about this channel. Just go out there and be like, you know what, there's this particular girl who does tutorials. You can go and check out if you can like one or two of these styles. Also, make sure that you do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming styles. Remember, we are having so many tutorials coming up. You're not ready, and we have also done other tutorials, so I'll be placing that link to the other tutorials in the description just to make things easier for you. So after this, just click right there. You can get more ideas for another day, okay? But in the meantime, hold on and let's do this. So for starters, you're going to start off by holding your hair towards the back so that it doesn't disturb you. Something which is not even a must. You don't have to do this particular step, but just to make things easier for you, I told you this is a super easy style. Did I say easy or elegant? As long as you have an A at the beginning. But anyways, it's easy. So what you do is you first hold your hair towards the back. I'll be facing this side because my mirror is on this side, but you'll see everything that I'm doing. So don't wonder, what am I looking at? Oh, on this other side. I don't know why that song has come to my mind. It's an advertisement actually in my country. It's an advertisement. So see, I have actually held the hair towards the back to make everything easier for me. You can also use a clip or a shoe holder, shoelace, to hold the hair towards the back. The next step is on folding the bandana. So this is my bandana. It's a patterned type of bandana. It doesn't matter the type you're using, but in most cases, AXLROSE back in the days used to use to have a red bandana. So if you have a red bandana, even the better. I told you my voice would start doing that thing if I start talking. But tell me. Where? I don't know what you guys do when you have a cold. You catch a cold. Well, what was I saying? AXLROSE's bandana is red in color, and so mine is purple. So it doesn't matter the color of bandana that you have, as long as you follow the steps to the very end. So this is how my bandana is. Make sure that the inner side faces towards the front. The inner side is the side in which the sewing is being seen, and in this particular case, my sewing is this side and it's facing where I am facing. And so if you're placing it on a flat surface, like this, and the inner side will be facing towards the top. Okay, so follow the next step. You rotate your bandana like this to form something like a diamond, that shape, and then this tip to go down towards the bottom tip to the very end to form something like that. Okay, and then afterwards we are going to make another fold. You can choose to have this tip get to this tip or this tip, whichever way, as long as the results are the same. They always say that there are so many ways of killing a rat. You can use rat poison, you can burn the entire house, but both ways the rat is gone. Anyways, we have something like that to that point. The next thing is making a small fold. Remember, if you're doing it on a flat surface, you're going to follow the same step. So like that, you make a small fold. So if you had an iron box, you can try now at this particular point to iron out your bandana. Told you, if you want everything perfect, you can now iron out your bandana. The next thing is we did like this side, we place it onto our forehead. If you have a forehead, well and good. If you do not have, place it on your hairline. Okay, and then follow the next step. We did like this. Now you see this side is the one that I'm placing on top of my head like that, but then I've noticed these inner things are protruding towards the front, and so they're being seen, and we do not want that. So I just adjust it in the manner like that, yeah, and then like that, and then make a fold like almost halfway towards the center. Right? It doesn't work to disturb it. Yes. So now guys, to that point, just like the video, you can talk to me in the comment section, share it out there, and make sure that you do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming tutorial. And remember, you're going to be placing up a link in the description that has more tutorials. Next time we place it on our heads. Okay, this one, the second fold has come too close, but yeah, not entirely towards this end, but close to the end, so that you can have it in that size. This size is better than the previous one. So you just place it onto your hairline like that. You see, like that, and then make a knot at the back on top. Remember, mind you, it is on top of your hair, not below, not here. No, it's on top of the hair. So you can choose to cover your ears up. I feel like I have really made it smaller. It's too small. I should have adjusted that size a little bit. Adjusting is just making sure the second fold doesn't really touch the other fold, or it's not that close to the other fold, other tip that is, and then placing it onto my head. And you see the manner in which my bandana is. These flowers are the ones here. Just paying attention to the small details. I've made 2 knots to make sure that it doesn't come off. Remember, we are going to pull it towards very close to our eyebrows. Okay, eyebrows. So the next step is choosing if you want it to be your ears to be outside like that, or you want them to be on the inside. Which one do you feel will look better when we do our hair? We do the last step, but in this case I just want my ears on the inside. Oh yeah. Yeah. Tell me what I say. I feel like it's not tight. So the next thing is to stop holding your hair. No. You can pull it towards your ears like that, or leave it at the back. But for Axel, this is how you used to do it. I'll also show you how to accessorize. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. It looks amazing, right? Still feels loose. I don't know why, but anywho. So that's how you do it. Looks amazing, right? You can choose to accessorize just like you used to do. You just add in your shades right there. Oh my goodness, look at that. Looks amazing. If you like it, like the video, just like the video. You can talk to me in the comment section. If you don't like it, you can also tell me in the comment section. And remember, oh my goodness, it looks amazing. I just love it. You can choose to have the, let me see, like that, woo! Looking like a 10 over 10 minus nothing. Anyways, guys, that is how you do it. And remember, I'm placing a link in the description. You can always watch more tutorials, more amazing tutorials like this, okay? And more. Wow, woo! You can choose to push all your hairs towards the back. You can choose them to be right here. I just love the outcome as usual. So talk to me in the comment section. You can share us out there. And do make sure that you do subscribe. You can turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorial. Look at that. When you push all the hairs, I love it. I think I plan a day and just go like this somewhere. Oh my goodness. I just love it. Okay, I've said that a lot. So right now, let's just click right here to watch more of my videos. You can just click right here to watch more of my videos. Let's meet there. Thank you for watching this far.